do you go to market? How often do you eat pizza? How often do you exercise? Here are some spoken patterns that are used in our day-to-day life. Let's understand that. The very first one is the same. How often do you? It is used to inquire कि आप वो चीज कितनी बार करते हो उस पर्टिकुलर चीज को. Like अभी we took the example, आप एक्सरसाइज कितनी बार करते हो? How often do you exercise? आप दिन में चाय कितनी बार पीते हो? How often do you take tea in a day? Next we have, do you want me to, with first form of the word. जब आप लगाते हो क्या आप चाहते हो मैं ये करूँ? This is something when you ask someone if you can do something for them or assist them, help person. Right? Let's take an example. क्या आप चाहते हो कि मैं बच्चों को पिक करूँ? Do you want me to pick up the kids? क्या आप चाहते हो मैं वहाँ जाऊँ? Do you want me to go there? Now we have, what do you think about and V1 ing. इस pattern के बाद आप first form ing use करते हैं. And this pattern is used to ask about their opinions कि वो क्या सोचते हैं. Like, imagine you want to go for a coffee with someone. तो आप क्या करोगे? What do you think about having a cup of coffee with me? What do you think about buying a new car? यहाँ पर रहना कैसे रहेगा? What do you think about staying here? Now we have, why don't you with first form of the verb. When you talk about why don't you, basically it is used to give suggestions. Like imagine someone is not working hard, तो आप उसको बोल सकते हैं तो मेहनत क्यों नहीं करते? Why don't you work hard? तुम उसे sorry क्यों नहीं बोलते? Why don't you say sorry to him? तुम NIE क्यों नहीं join करते हो? Why don't you join NIE? Let's have a look on the next one. That is, are you trying to with first form of the verb? Like this is basically used to ask someone that if they are attempting to do something, वो कुछ करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Like imagine my friend is ignoring me. So what can I ask? Are you trying to ignore me? क्या तुम मेरा मजाक उड़ाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो? Are you trying to make fun of me? क्या तुम इस गाने को learn करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो? Are you trying to learn this music or so? And the last pattern for today is, do you like V1 plus ing? With this pattern, you are trying to ask whether whatever they enjoy or prefer. क्या वो चीज़ को पसंद करते हैं करना? Like imagine कि तुम आइसक्रीम खाना पसंद करते हो? Do you like having ice cream? क्या तुम मूवी पर जाना पसंद करते हो? Do you like going for a movie? क्या आप ये patterns याद करना पसंद करते हो? Do you like learning these patterns? That's all for today. Do use these patterns in your day-to-day life for your spicy English. Stay tuned for more videos.